There are currently 61 wildfires in the forest protection area of Alberta. 15 of those are out of control. So far this year, we've responded to 555 wildfires, burning more than 1,120,000 hectares. Many areas of the province have received rain, reducing the wildfire danger in most of Alberta. But the fire danger level remains extreme in the north. And the wildfire near Fort Chipewyan has been producing smoke. However, the size of the wildfire and distance to communities are not believed to have been changed since yesterday. It remains 10 kilometers from the community of Fort Chipewyan and 8,600 hectares in size. This continues to be our top priority.
An evacuation order remains in effect for the area, including the Mikisew Cree First Nation, Fort Chipewyan Métis Nation, and Athabasca Chipewyan First Nation. Evacuation efforts for these areas are ongoing, and anyone in Fort Chipewyan who has not yet left should contact PULSE, a municipal helpline, at 1-800-973-9663 or 780-743-7000 between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. to request a seat on a plane. Residents evacuating by boat should travel to barge landing in Fort McKay. And all evacuees should bring important documents, medication, and supplies to last at least 7 days. Alberta continues to be under a provincial state of emergency, and the Provincial Emergency Coordination Centre remains at a level 4. Currently, there are 7 states of local emergency, 5 band council resolutions, and 4,325 people evacuated. We've been, like I've said before, we're working very closely with the local authorities and the communities in Fort Chip to ensure that people are safe at home. In this circumstance, there's agreement with the local authority of some individuals staying back to help support the community in the response for this, and so they're ensuring their safety. We would work with the local authorities to ensure that they have the appropriate protective equipment and understand when to move and all those things. So the biggest piece is safety. We suggest all Albertans, if there's an evacuation order in place, that they must leave unless their local authority has included them in some form of the response and they have all the right safety protocols and procedures in place to ensure that they can get out when needed.